Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy SpaceX stock on interactive brokers. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official interactive brokers website right here, interactivebrokers.com, if you have not already. If you're using a mobile device, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Interactive Brokers, find application and install it. But once you have opened it up, it's going to look like this. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and log into our account. To be able to buy SpaceX stock on Interactive Brokers, you need to have an account. So in the upper right corner, if you do not already have one, you can just go ahead and click open account to create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you've done that, now we can get started. From this home page right here, doesn't matter if you're on your mobile phone or on your PC, you can go ahead and click the search button. Using the search button, we can get started with finding SpaceX stock. So use the search button right here and we can get started. So it's going to enable us to ask a question and we can go ahead and type in SpaceX. So basically just go ahead and type in SpaceX and it's going to give us the results for this question. So as you can see, we are going to have this search option right here, and now it's going to go ahead and give us a list of results and the AI response. You can go ahead and select the website option right here, or go ahead and take a look at the results that you have for this special all options right here for the whole web. But this is how to get started finding links from buying SpaceX. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.